Jordan?
And the other thing, and this thing too over here.
Oh, the whisk? Are you going to make a sauce, maybe?
No, no sauce.
What are you cooking? It's really important to have the right cooking utensil, isn't it? What are you going to cook for Mommy and Daddy? What's on the menu, Jordan?
Eat it.
Eat it? Is it good? Let me taste. Mmm, good. Yum, yum, yum. You're a good chef. Soup.